Welcome to our presentation on the ginger plant and its potential as a weight loss aid. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, but recent studies have shown that it may also have benefits for weight management. In this presentation, we will explore what ginger is, how it can aid in weight loss, share some delicious ginger recipes, and provide tips for incorporating ginger into your daily diet. Ginger is a flowering plant that originated in Southeast Asia and is now widely cultivated in many tropical regions around the world. Its root, or rhizome, is the part of the plant that is most commonly used for culinary and medicinal purposes. In addition to its distinctive flavor and aroma, ginger has numerous health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties, can help relieve nausea and indigestion, and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. One of the ways in which ginger can aid in weight loss is by boosting metabolism. Studies have shown that consuming ginger can increase the number of calories burned during physical activity, as well as at rest. Another way in which ginger may help with weight loss is by reducing inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to obesity and other health issues, so reducing inflammation through the consumption of ginger may be beneficial for weight management. There are many delicious and healthy ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. One simple option is to make ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger in hot water for several minutes. You can also add grated ginger to smoothies or use it as a spice in stir-fries and other dishes. Here's a recipe for a refreshing ginger smoothie. Blend together 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and a handful of spinach until smooth. Enjoy as a breakfast or snack option. Incorporating ginger into your daily diet doesn't have to be difficult. Try adding grated ginger to your morning smoothie or oatmeal, using it as a marinade for chicken or fish, or adding it to soups and stews for extra flavor and health benefits.